Supreme Court because it is now said that the opposition drive, when it comes to the demolition drive, the opposition was raising questions over what they have been calling as selective targeting and bias by the UP government. Now the Supreme Court has said and has refused to say the demolition. The Supreme Court says that cannot stay demolition but can ask the administration to only do the same in accordance with the law. Neelashish, the updates please from the Supreme Court.
Well, yes, absolutely. The Supreme Court has refused to stay any sort of demolition in the state of UP, but has also clearly stated that we hope and expect that if there's any illegal construction that needs to be removed, that must be done in accordance with law. Now, the court did issue notice to the UP government and has asked for the same to be, the response to the same be filed in 3 days' time. The court will hear this matter again next week. But as far as this particular case is concerned, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta as well as Harish Salve, who appeared for the administration, stated that there is absolutely nothing that was illegal and all the procedures were followed when any sort of demolition drive took place. In fact, Harish Salve even mentioned that there were 3 instances which are the genesis of this particular case, 1 in Prayagraj and 2 in Kanpur, and he was willing to submit all affidavits and all documents in relation to those 3 cases, saying that notice was issued duly and there was absolutely no illegal doing. The UP administration also went on to state and allege that it was only a publicity stunt wherein people who are affected are not before the court, but someone sees something in a newspaper and decides that there is no legal procedure that was followed. Of course, the court has stated repeatedly that we must be fair and we must ensure the safety and security of members of the society. However, as far as the demolition drive is concerned, they have said that we definitely expect that the government will act in accordance with the law. However, they have said that they will not be staying the demolition drive, but the government is expected, of course, to act according to the law when it comes to any sort of removal of illegal constructions in an area.
So, Neelashish, about the notice that has now been issued as far as filing of the objections is concerned, because Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind wanted clear-cut directions from the Supreme Court to be given to the UP government. That did not happen.
Well, most definitely, the Supreme Court has sought a response from the UP government in 3 days. But as you rightly pointed out, and as we've been saying, there is absolutely no stay on the demolition drive, provided, as the court said, the government strictly follows the process of law in removing unauthorized constructions. As we were saying, the Jamaat did tell the court that the UPCM had warned of retaliatory demolitions using bulldozers, and officials carried out the threat by demolishing the houses of
Neelashish, stay on with us. Shehzad Poonawalla is on.